Hey everyone, this is Shadid from Fauna, and today we're going to take a look at how you can use Fauna streams to create real-time web apps. So let's get started. Event streaming is a feature in Fauna that allows your client application code to subscribe to events in Fauna. You can subscribe to a set or you can subscribe to a document in Fauna. Your application gets real-time notification when something in that subscribed document or set changes. We created a sample application to demonstrate this feature. Let's go ahead and clone this application. So here in my terminal, I'm going to git clone. Once this is done, we're going to go cd into the application. I'm going to do npm install. Open your project in the code editor. Create a new environment variable file called .env.local. Create a new environment variable for your Fauna database key. Next, head over to dashboard.fauna.com and create a new database. I'm going to call my database test7. And I'm going to select global region and create the database. Then go to collection, new collection, and create a new collection called transaction. Save. Go to index, create a new index for transaction collection and name the index transaction by plan. And in the term, select plan. Hit save. Next, we're going to go to security. In the keys, create a new key. I'm going to make it a server key and name my key. Copy the key and head over to your code, and in the React app Fauna key, replace the key. Next, run your application by running the npm start command. Once the app is running, visit localhost 3000. So I opened localhost 3000 in two different browser tabs. Now, in the first one, I'm on the home page, and the second one, I'm in the admin dashboard page. Let's create a new transaction. Give our transaction a name. Credit card number. The moment I select submit, notice that the transaction appears on the dashboard page in real time. From here, we can accept or reject this transaction. So let's reject it, and notice that it will change in real time on the home page as well. Let's create another one. That one also shows up. Let's accept this one. And you'll notice that it shows up in real time. So let's go ahead and explore the code for this. So this is a standard React application. We have app.js file, and we have a bunch of routes here. These are just React router routes. In the root of the application, it renders the home component. So let's go ahead and take a look at the home component. So in the home component, we have a simple form. And this is the transaction form. On form submit, it runs the create new transaction function. The create new transaction function runs another function, new transaction. This function is being imported from operations.js file. In operations.js file, we instantiate our FaunaDB client. We're actually using the FaunaDB JS driver here. We instantiate the client, we export the client, we also export some helper methods such as creating new transaction. Okay, let's head back to the home component. In the home component, notice that you have a useEffect hook. This useEffect hook executes whenever a new transaction is created. We run the stream document function with the Fauna client and pass in the reference of the new transaction we just created. Now we're subscribed to this new transaction document. Every time something changes in that document, we will get notified. Next, let's go ahead and take a look at the dashboard.js file. We have a use effect here as well, and inside our use effect, we start the subscription. Using the client stream function, we are subscribing to the whole transaction collection. We use the get set ref to get the reference to the transaction collection, and get set ref is defined in operations.js. Head over to the documentation site to learn more about Fauna streams. We can't wait to see what you build with Fauna streams. And as always, thank you for watching.